Hello lovelies, today I'm going to show you how I use Flexi rod to create a beautiful looking coils on my daughter's natural hair. So keep watching to see how I achieve these beautiful coils.
Wow, Mom, this is beautiful. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to Mommy's Time.
Over here, what I'm doing is just taking down a previous hairstyle, which was 2-strand twists. So I'm going to take it out and then I finger detangle her hair a little bit, not too much. I'm done taking it down, and here I take a spray bottle. What I have in there is only water, nothing more. I spray our edges, then I massage it in to soften our edges and also hydrate it. So now I'm going to part our hair into 2 sections, horizontally into 2 sections, front and back. That's what you see me doing. I'm done parting the hair now, so I pin down the back section to start working on the front section. Add more water to hydrate it. Massage it in very well. Then I add some shea butter mix. Here is my shea butter mix, not too much, to moisturize it. If you want to see how I made this soft and fluffy shea butter and what I mixed together to get this texture, check out the video. And also you can see I added some coily cream, Cantu coily cream. Then I brush down the edges, brush it down to lay. If you like, at this point you can add some styling gel, but I'm not using gel today. Brush it down, then I hold it with this hairband to create a ponytail. You can see, not too tight, don't make it too tight. Then I put that one aside. To do the same thing to the back section, repeat the same thing. Spray a little bit of water to hydrate it. Add some shea butter to moisturize. Then a little bit of coily cream to lock down all the moisture. Guys, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share and also subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done that. It's time to start rolling our hair with a flexi rod. So to do that, I part a little section. As you can see, I work in the small sections, add some foamy mousse, not too much, work it through our hair. Then I roll our hair around the flexi rod. As you can see, I will show it very well when I get to the front section. So here you can see the ones I've done, the back section. So let me show it very well here. I part a little section that I want to work with. This is it. Then I'll add some foamy mousse, work it through our hair. Then I comb it out to detangle and take out any knots. Then I add more foamy mousse to the ends of our hair. Then I work it through our hair. Sorry. So now here is it. You can start from the roots as I'm showing, or you start from the ends of our hair. So now, first of all, let me start from the roots and show you how I do it. This is it. Starts and then you roll it around the flexi rod. smooth out the ends, then you roll it. You see, very simple to do. Here is it, very simple. Then here, let me show you the other method, which is rolling from the ends to the roots. The first method was rolling from the roots to the ends of our hair. So this time around, watch and see how I'm going to do this. Add some mousse, comb it out to detangle. Add more mousse to the ends of our hair. Work it through the length of our hair as I'm doing. Then now it's time to roll. You can see I'm starting from the ends of our hair. Then you roll it round until you get to the roots of our hair. You can see, very simple to do. So now check it out and see the difference from the ones I started from the ends and the ones I started from the roots. So I've been doing it from the roots. I prefer the one I start from the roots. So I'm going to continue rolling from the roots to the ends. Okay, that's what I'm going to do to the rest of the hair. Try out the two methods and see which one is convenient for you. I prefer the one that I start from the roots to the ends of our hair, but they are all the same. You will achieve the same coils, the same result. Okay, but just make sure you do what works for you. So now I'm done with the back section. In the front, you can see that it's in ponytail, so I'm just going to do the ends of our hair, not starting for the main roots, if you understand what I mean. I've held our hair in a ponytail, so I'm just going to do the tips as you see me doing, but still all the same, I start from the down part, not the ends of our hair. Hope you get me right.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 다 나온 give up. 나도 내게 믿어. 말해도 내게 믿어.
I'm done fixing the flexi rod, as you can see. So now I'm going to let her sit under a dryer for some minutes. Normally I'll let her play around for it to hair dry, but for the sake of this video, I had to let her sit under the dryer so that it can dry quickly. And also, if you can sleep with it as an adult, it's better to sleep with it overnight. Then you take it out the next morning. So after sitting under the dryer for some minutes, the hair is fully dry, so it's time for me to take it out. And that's what you see me doing. Take it out gradually until I'm done. This hairstyle is suitable for both adults and kids. So as a mom, as an adult, you can try flexi rod on your hair and I'm sure you will love it. I'm done taking out the rods, and this is the outcome of the curls. You can see how it is, very coily. So I'm going to separate the curls for a fuller look. To do that, I moisturized my hand. I had some oil to my hand to prevent frizz. Then I separate the curls to my satisfaction. The oil I'm using is a DIY oil. If you want to know the type of oil I mixed in my bottle, check out the video. I'll leave the link in the description area. And this is the outcome of the curls. This is the style I achieved. Very beautiful and cute. You can see how it looks like. I really love the outcome and she loves it too. You can see the smile on her face. That's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.
So much love to give. Something's telling me it's right when you show me now.